Lietuvos lygą laimėjom 10-ukui, o TB lygai patekam į 4, sakyčiau, 9, o Eurolyga 8, tai bendras gautųsi apie 9.
O tau pačiam?
Savo pačiam, viskas būtų kaip ir neblogai, jeigu būčiau VTB lygoje, čia po pabaigą, nors kiek geriau sulošęs, tikrai manau, prastai pasirodžiau, trūko mano to gero žaidimo ir pačiam, nežinau, 7 tai.
But I think that we demonstrate this end of the season that we go under batteries 1 month before. We're resisting for the proud of the players, they're resisting for the attitude of the players, but we are on our limit capacity a long time before. And it's a big shame that we are not able to bring the final to Lithuania, to Kaunas, but I think that we are so tired. We are playing like if we have one bag in our shoulders of 6 kilos, had not good reactions, but nothing to criticize nobody, because many of these players are putting on risk their careers because some of them are injured, but they want to play yesterday and the day before, and then all my respect for them and wish them for the best.